Leveling surveyors play a crucial role in the construction industry, especially in projects located in Noida Extension. Noida Extension is a rapidly developing area with numerous residential and commercial projects underway. The topography and terrain of this region can vary significantly, making it necessary to hire experienced leveling surveyors who can accurately measure and assess the land. These professionals use advanced equipment and techniques to determine the levelness of the ground and make necessary adjustments during the construction process. One of the key aspects of leveling surveying in Noida Extension is ensuring that the foundation of a building is level and stable. This is essential to prevent any structural issues or damages in the future. Leveling surveyors use various methods, such as differential leveling or trigonometric leveling, to establish accurate height measurements for the construction site. By analyzing this data, they can determine any slopes or unevenness in the land and recommend appropriate measures to level it. Another crucial area where leveling surveyors are required in Noida Extension is in the design of sconces. Sconces are decorative wall-mounted light fixtures that can enhance the aesthetics of a building. However, to ensure their proper installation and alignment, it is necessary to have accurate measurements and leveling. Leveling surveyors use their expertise to determine the exact height and position where sconces should be installed to achieve symmetry and visual appeal. The services provided by leveling surveyors in Noida Extension are not limited to just residential or commercial projects. They also play a vital role in infrastructure development, such as road construction and drainage systems. Leveling surveyors can accurately measure the slope and elevation of roads, ensuring that they are built to proper standards for efficient water drainage and safe driving conditions. In the building business, leveling surveyors are essential, especially for projects in Noida Extension. The neighborhood of Noida Extension is quickly developing, and several residential and commercial projects are in the works. This area's geography and terrain can vary greatly, necessitating the need of skilled leveling surveyors who can precisely measure and evaluate the land. These experts assess the levelness of the ground and make the necessary modifications during the construction process using cutting-edge tools and methods. Having a level and sturdy construction foundation is one of the most important parts of leveling surveying in Noida Extension. To avoid future structural problems or damages, this is crucial. To establish precise height measurements at the construction site, leveling surveyors employ a variety of techniques, such as differential leveling or trigonometric leveling. They can identify any slopes or unevenness in the land and suggest suitable steps to level it by studying this data. Sconce design is a significant sector in Noida Extension where leveling surveyors are needed. Sconces are aesthetically pleasing wall-mounted lighting fixtures that can improve a building's appearance. However, precise measurements and leveling are required to guarantee their perfect installation and alignment. To create harmony and aesthetic appeal, leveling surveyors utilize their knowledge